Especially reloading.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Swamee River to Keaton Beach, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Swamee River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 10 nautical miles south of Marker 24 barge, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours.
Oh, wait.
Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National Weather...
There you go.